Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to import data from Excel into RStudio. So using the readxl and readr packages. So basically what you'll need to do is go to RStudio, and right here you'll see the files, plots and packages in the right corner. So basically what you'll need to do is right here click on install, and now select and write readxl, and basically select that and click install. This will install this package, and to install the readr package, what we'll need to do is type again readr package and click install. When you will have those both packages, what you can do is now go to File, then Import Dataset, and right here you'll be able to select from Excel, from the text, and from text base. So I will show you the both of these. So from the Excel, what we'll need to do is select the Excel, and right here for the file URL, click Browse, and go to the file location where you have your Excel. So I have my sheet right here. I will click open, and now you will see it will show the code preview, the data preview, and the name. And now what you can do is click import, and that will import your Excel to RStudio. So basically that's how you'll be able to import that data set. Now, if you want to import from the CSV file, it is pretty easy and straightforward too. So what you can do is basically go to File, Import Dataset, from text readr, then click Browse again, then select CSV file, and this will show the readr code right here and data preview. Click Import, and you'll get the same result as we did with the Excel file. So as you can see, we have our CSV file loaded into RStudio. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.